Hi everyone, this is Bharti and welcome to day 15 of the Pranayama challenge. Today we are going to learn a new pranayama which is Nadanusandhana Pranayama. So once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into your yoga mat. Straighten the spine and roll the shoulders back. Bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. Let's start taking a few normal breaths. Bring your attention to your normal flow of breath. We are going to start today's practice with the following affirmation. I strive for joy, not for perfection. Let's repeat this 3 times mentally. We'll start the practice with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. We are going to start today's practice with equal breathing. So gently close your eyes, keeping your hands on the knees in Chin Mudra. And let's start taking deep breaths. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Last round. And relax. Next, we are going to do 5 rounds of Bhastrika Pranayama with 15 pumps in each round. So bring your hands on either sides, making a loose fist. Take a breath in and out to prepare. And let's start. And relax. Let's start round 2. Bring the hands up. And let's start. and relax. Let's start round 3. Take a breath in and out. And relax. Let's prepare for round 4. Bring the hands up, take a breath in and out. And start. And relax. Bring the hands down. And let's start the last round. Bring the hands up. Take a breath in and out. And let's start. And relax. Next, we are doing Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and today we are going to move on to 1:1:1:1 ratio, which means we are going to inhale for 3 counts, hold for 3 counts, exhale for 3 counts, and hold externally for 3 counts. So let's start. Bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra and close the right nostril. Take a breath in and out through the left nostril. Inhale left, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale right, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, inhale right, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale left, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, inhale left, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale right, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, inhale right, 3, 2, 1, hold, 3, 2, 1, exhale left, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Last round. Slowly bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to learn how to do Nadanusandhana Pranayama, which is a sound pranayama. So in this, we are going to do Akar, Ukar and Makar separately and then combine the three. And we are going to do each with a different hand mudra. So first, we are going to do 3 rounds of Akar. We are just going to make the sound A, and you should feel a vibration in your stomach while you are doing this. Your hands will be in Chin Mudra on the knees. So gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, expanding your belly. Again. Next, we are going to do Ukar, making U sound, and we'll change the hand mudra to Chinmay mudra. So just close the last 3 fingers and keep the first 2 fingers, the index and the thumb, as in Chin mudra, and then bring them to your knees. Take a deep breath in, expanding the chest, and you should feel your vibrations in the chest as you do Ukar. . 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1 And last, we are going to do Makar, making Ma sounds in Adi Mudra. So take your thumb inside and wrap the fingers around it and bring them to your knees. Close your eyes and we are going to make Ma sound, and you will feel the vibration in your throat and skull. Take a deep breath in. And finally, we are going to combine all the three, O and Ma, and make Om sound 3 times. Keeping your hands in Adi Mudra, bring them on either sides of the navel to come into Brahma Mudra. Close your eyes. Bring your hands to your knees and let's take a couple of normal breaths. We are going to end the practice with the mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niraamayaah, Sarve Bhadraanni Pashyantu, Maa Kashcid-Duhkha-Bhaag-Bhavet. Om Shaantih, Shaantih, Shaantih. Slowly bring your hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently bring the palms over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.